Out of the way, Dopey!
Hi, welcome back to Auto Tip-Off. Enjoy today's video.
First impression. The R8 sports car, Audi's flagship model, features a roaring 602 horsepower V10 engine right behind its tight two-seat cockpit. The R8 bears many similarities with the Lamborghini Huracán, however it is less flamboyantly designed. It's also less fun to drive, but customers looking for a supercar to enjoy on a daily basis may find the Audi's refinement attractive. The inside is minimally equipped, with all infotainment features controlled through the digital gauge cluster, but it's nevertheless a pleasant and upscale atmosphere worthy of the R8's high starting price. More cargo capacity would be nice, but that isn't why you buy a vehicle like this. You purchase the R8 or its competitors, the Porsche 911 and McLaren 570s, for the thrill of speed. What's new in 2022? For 2022, the basic coupe and Spider convertible get a 30 horsepower increase. The V10 now produces 562 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. Both body types are now available with sport exhaust and dynamic packages. The first one is self-explanatory. Ceramic brakes, special 20-inch wheels, and enhanced racing seats with Nappa leather upholstery are among the latter's features. We recommend the Spider if you want some extra flash. After all, with the top down, onlookers will get a better view of the lucky person behind the wheel. The selection between the basic and performance models is more difficult. On the one hand, the 562 horsepower V10 delivers tremendous acceleration as well as the same booming scream as the 602 horsepower vehicle. Rolling up to the next car, or a special party event, in a red Audi V10, may on the other hand make you feel like saying, "Take a look at what I've got," and smiling like the cat that just got the milk. Performance and powertrain. The R8's V10 power plant is available in 2 power levels, both of which are powerful enough to shock your eardrums with their unearthly growls. The R8's 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission isn't the smoothest. It downshifts too abruptly on occasion, resulting in neck-snapping acceleration followed by a quick upshift. The basic R8 has adaptive suspension as standard, whereas performance versions have a more aggressive fixed damper arrangement. Both absorb bumps wonderfully and give a pleasant ride that you could tolerate on lengthy excursions without becoming fatigued. However, the R8's suppleness has a drawback. It doesn't handle bends as confidently as its rivals in full attack mode, feeling more restless than you'd expect from a supercar. The basic steering arrangement is straightforward and provides enough feel by relaying information from the road to the driver's hands. Interior comfort and quality. Simplicity has never felt so opulent. Audi delivers a surprisingly simple arrangement by having the instrument cluster serve as the infotainment screen, allowing the superbly contoured racing seats and high-resolution digital gauge display to take center stage in the R8's cockpit. When it comes to interior colors and textures, Audi offers a wide range of options, including black, gray, brown, and red leather in either a flat or quilted pattern with matching or contrast stitching. Essentially, it's a well-executed interior with straightforward controls, including the ignition switch on the steering wheel. Nobody buys a supercar for its practicality, and the R8 doesn't depart from the class standard by offering genuine cargo capacity. It only allows for one carry-on type suitcase, so you need to pack carefully. Tech and connectivity. The outstanding virtual cockpit gauge cluster serves a dual purpose, displaying both instruments and the MMI infotainment system. It seems as futuristic here as it does in other Audi models like the A4 and TT. High-resolution navigation is standard, and the system may be operated via voice instructions, steering wheel-mounted controls, or a click wheel on the center console. An onboard 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot is included, as is support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Fuel economy. I must admit it's not your cost-effective option here. However, having said that, if you're buying an Audi V10, fuel is the least of your worries and may come on the bottom of your list. Rear-drive versions get 14 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the interstate. The all-wheel drive vehicles do much worse, with ratings of 13 and 20, respectively. Because of the poor showing, all purchasers must pay a $1,700 gas guzzler tax as part of the purchase price. Visit the EPA's website for additional information on the R8's fuel efficiency. Safety. Audi offers few driver assistance technologies, but the R8 comes standard with a full set of airbags. Visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites for further information on the R8's crash test results. The following are important safety features. Automatic high beams are standard as with front and rear parking sensors, crumbs not a lot there is there. Future R8s, verdict and starting price. Whatever the future holds for the R8 second generation is unknown. Audi board member Hildegard Wertmann stated that the symbols of the past aren't always the icons of the future, casting a large shadow on the future of the V10-powered flagship. However, simply constructing a third-generation R8 on an electric architecture is not a possibility. Wertmann emphasized that the model's successor would not just be a R8 with an electric powertrain. What are you going to pay for your Audi R8? Well, the R8 has a starting price of around at $147,995, has an aesthetic design, but a simple cabin that nevertheless feels opulent, and a thundering V10 engine. The R8 dresses like a supercar, yet is as accessible and easy to drive as any other Audi. That's it. Thanks for watching. Catch up tomorrow. Cheers for now.